Alright, hi and welcome to a Sketchup beginner's course. I want to show you how to navigate the interface here. It's super easy to get started, and there is a free online SketchUp version that you can use until you're ready to pay for Pro. So don't forget to check out private lessons if you're interested in working one-on-one with me to learn the best workflows experiential marketing designers use. Alright, we are going to treat this like a little bit of a workout, okay? So stick with me for 3 minutes. I'm going to show you a bunch of stuff that you can do in SketchUp in the time it takes to listen to just one song. Alright, are you ready to get started? The first thing I want to show you is the toolbar. So on the top left over here, I am able to see all of my tools starting at the top with the arrow. The arrow is what I use to click on something in the scene or drag a box to drag multiple things. Now the trick here is that if you drag from the right, you'll select everything inside of the box, completely inside of the box. But if you drag from the right, you're only going to grab what is actually touching the edge of the box. All right, that's your first tip. Let's go ahead and jump back into the toolbar for a second. Okay, so for our second exercise, I'm going to show you how to use the rectangle tool. So let's make a little ground plane for him to stand on. That looks good to me, and let's go back to the move tool. Now if I click that square once, I am able to select the face. And if I click the edge once, I'm able to select the edge once. So let's go ahead and double click it and select the edges and the faces, and then give me a right click and make group. So making a group is really, really important so that your edges, your different shapes do not merge together into one big shape. Let me show you an example of that really quick. Shape, not made into a group, shape. These shapes are now stuck together forever. So sometimes that's helpful, sometimes it's not. All right, you have learned about the move tool, how to select left to right, right to left. You've learned about the rectangle and how to make it into a group. And now I want to show you the move tool. So let's go ahead and select the ground plane here as we wrap up. If I select the move tool, I can click anywhere, actually, not just on this thing here, and start to move it around. But what I love is these red and green and blue colored axes. So wait till you see those every single time you move something, or else you're going to end up with something that might come off the ground. So the trick here is to use the arrow keys on the keyboard. So if I hit the arrow left, now I can only move that direction, right and up and down. All right, you guys, this has been amazing. You've learned 2 really, really important things: the move tool, the rectangle tool, and the select tool, which makes it 3. And that is the end of our little song workout. Go ahead and cool down, take a little breath. You did so good. Remember, it is really, really cool to learn a new program, and it shouldn't be scary at all. Jump in there, try it out, and I'll see you in the next video.